The old adage that cash is king has perhaps never been more applicable than it is in the current economy. Perficient has developed a working capital analysis application targeted at financial executives using Oracle Applications Cloud and Autonomous Data Warehouse that provides an overview of current working capital and its associated high-level metrics. In addition, it affords a deeper dive into the working capital's component categories with a focus on providing actionable information for the financial executive. At the same time, this application consolidates insights from multiple accounting functions into a single coordinated overview. The first page of this application's dashboard provides a quick summary of key working capital metrics using a combination of tiles and charts. Where applicable, these tiles use conditional formatting to quickly identify those metrics that are over or under plan. Additionally, this page utilizes a custom visualization allowing the user to perform quick sensitivity analysis on the impact of cost of capital rate changes on the projected interest cost of the working capital investment. The second page of the dashboard extends the overview of working capital by displaying trends for the major components. In addition to seeing how overall working capital is trending, this page enables the user to visualize the interplay among the constituent components, especially current assets. Thus, an understanding of how the blend of cash, accounts receivable, and inventory has fluctuated over the prior year is shown in the lower left side of this page. The next page of the dashboard begins a deeper dive into the components of working capital in order of degree of liquidity. Thus, we begin by taking a closer look at cash. The first visualization is a reprise of the cash trend line for the prior year. A quick look makes it clear that cash balance is declining over the course of the year. In addition to summarizing cash balances by currency, this page presents a trend of days cash in hand over the year. The fourth page transitions into a deeper dive into accounts receivable. Of particular interest is the trending of the amounts of the past due aging buckets, as well as the trend of average days to pay. The next page continues our focusing on current AR, starting with a map illustrating where creditors are located by state. This page begins to provide actionable information for the financial executive. By selecting a state, the current AR balances and aging are shown by customer, as well as identifying the sales rep responsible for the customer. This page also provides insight into customer categories and their balances within the state. The next page focuses on the least liquid of the current assets, inventory. The first visualization highlights the inventory value item category. This visualization is used to filter the other charts on this page, beginning with a Pareto analysis that identifies the 20% of items that represent 80% of the investment in an inventory category. For a more operational perspective, charts identify where organizationally the inventory is held and items having excess quantities based on their inventory management profile or max stock levels. The last two pages on the dashboard turn to the current liability side of working capital with analyses of accounts payable, first as trends and then in detail. Although possibly of less urgency than AR, the chart of AP invoice aging can lead to questions about internal process as well as potential vendor relationship issues. The final page examines current accounts payable again, illustrating where suppliers are located, and from this, who the vendors with the largest balances are in a selected state. In summary, this application goes from a high-level look at working capital and related financial metrics to examining operational details that can lead to specific corrective actions. We've seen that examining trends of the high-level metrics can lead to further investigation into specific operational situations that are impacting the investment in working capital, as well as identifying potential concerns with specific customers and vendors. Thank you.